Welcome to the last question of exercise 2.2 of class 8. Let us try to solve it. The question is, the organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. जो जीते उसको 100 रुपया और जो ना जीते उसे 25 रुपया. The total prize money distributed is rupees 300. पूरा जितना डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ सब बच्चों के अंदर वो 3000 रुपया है. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ विनर्स इफ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट इज 63. This condition is given that total 63 number of students participated in that competition. So we need to find how many of them are the winners. So in the competition we don't know how many students win. So the factor, the term which we don't know, we will take it as a variable, that is x. I am taking it x. You can take as to your wish. Let us consider the number of winners is x. It is given that total number of participant is 63. Total 63 students are there. So the number of students those did not win, how much will it be? X number of students did win and total are 63. So those did not win are 63 minus 6. टोटल नंबर से हम विनर्स सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे तो हमको पता चल जाएगा कि कौन लोग नहीं जीते. The winner in the competition gets a prize of 100 rupees. The winner gets, I will quote the condition here, gets rupees 100. So number of winner is 6 x. So amount distributed to x students. How much will it be? One student get 100 rupees. So distributed amount is 100. If 5 students get 100 rupees, then distributed amount is 500. If x student gets 100 rupees, then the distributed amount is x into 100, that is 100x rupees. So the students did not win gets rupees 25. The students did not win get rupees 25. So कितने नहीं जीते? 63 minus x. Amount distributed to them equals to, similarly it will be multiplied 25 into 63 minus x. Put a bracket here because it is a polynomial 63 minus x and we need to multiply 25 here. So put a bracket while multiplying and simplify it. So while opening the bracket, we will write 63 into 2x minus x into 2x. The term present outside the bracket will be distributed over the terms present inside the bracket. So it becomes 126x minus 2x square. Okay, so this much amount is distributed among non-winning students. The total money distributed is rupees 300. According to question, 3000. This implies 100x plus, sorry, I have written the amount, so the amount distributed is 63 minus x into 25. 25, put a bracket here because 63 minus x is a polynomial. So while multiplying 25 with it, put a bracket unless the result will be different. And while opening the bracket, we will solve it. While opening the bracket, 25, the number present outside the bracket will be multiplied over the terms inside the bracket. So it will be 63 into 25 minus 25x. According to question, the total amount distributed equals to 3000. It is already given in the question that 3000 total amount is distributed. This implies winning students got 100 rupees plus the amount got distributed to non-winning students 63 into 25 minus 25x equals to 3000. So let us solve the multiplication first. Let me multiply so this is 1575 minus 25x equal to 3000. Now see, put the like terms together, 100x and minus 25x. Let us write it together and transpose this constant term to RHS. There is already a constant term present in the right hand side. Write it down, then transpose 1575. The sign will be negative as it was positive in the left hand side. Now solve it. 100 minus 25 is 75x equals to, if we multiply it, it will be 1425. Sorry, if we subtract it, it will be 1425. So x equals to 1425 divided by 75. It is multiplied with x, so it will be divided while transposing to another side. Then we will simplify it. Let us cancel it with 15. So it is 15 5 is 75. Again this one with 15. So 9 is 135. Then 7 is present. Again 5. Again cancel 95 with 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 nines are 19. So the answer is 19. Which implies x is 19. When the number of students, those are winners, are x, that is 19. Therefore, number of winners in the competition equals to 9. I hope you are clear with it. Thank you.